Honey, I think it's time for you to stand up to Timmy. Last time I tried to stand up to him, I woke up the next morning in the basement next to Billy. Well, try again.
I swear, if anyone gets on my nerves today,
Timmy, time to do your homework. Like this, honey.
Do your damn homework.
Okay.
Go clean your room.
Did you hear, Dad? Do it again.
Go clean your room.
Leave me alone.
If you don't listen to me, I'm gonna ground you.